Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Awasthi. Welcome back to my channel Maths in Minutes. In today's video, we are going to learn about simple interest. This chapter is very practical, which we use in our day-to-day life. What is an interest? Interest is the amount, it is the extra amount we can say that we get. Right, this is the sort of benefit for which we deposit the money in the bank. Right, for example, if we suppose I have rupees 5,000 in my purse and for 2 years I don't want to use that 5,000 rupees. So after 2 years also I will get the same amount, 5,000. So it struck my mind, why not to do the business? Right, so what I decided to deposit that 5,000 in the bank. The bank will keep that money for 2 years, and after 2 years it will give us some extra amount. That extra amount is called as interest. Now we have some terms on which we apply the formula. The formula is SI. What is this SI? SI is simple interest. The formula is P into R into T by 100. This is the very basic formula on which we calculate simple interest. P is the principal. Now let's understand these terms. The amount which we have deposited in the bank. Suppose I have 5,000 rupees and I thought to give this 5,000 to bank. Now the amount which I have deposited in the bank is called the principal. What it is called? Principal. Sometimes it is also said the sum of money invested, right? Now the bank is saying, okay, I will give you 10% extra rate of interest. So rate the bank is giving to us is 10%. For time, I don't have to use that money for 2 years. So I said keep it for 2 years. So bank is saying for 2 years, I will give 10% rate of interest on this principal amount. So what extra amount after 2 years we get is calculated by this formula PRT by 100. Here only we need to substitute the values. Suppose P is 5,000, rate is T. Rate is 10%, time is 2 and upon 100. Let's cancel the values. We get 1,000. Right. What is this 1,000? 1,000 is the extra money which we have gained. Right. Now another term is amount. What is this amount? Amount is the money which we get after 2 years from the bank. That is principal plus the simple interest which we have earned. Right, so P is 5,000 plus 1,000, which is equal to 6,000 rupees. Now the money which I have deposited 2 years back was 5,000 and the amount that I am getting after 2 years is 6,000. 1,000 is our benefit, that is called as simple interest. See, simple interest is not used in the official purpose. Professionally it is not used. It is used by small money lenders only. The process which bank follows is called as compound interest, that we will see in the next video. Now let's understand the next type of question that can come in simple interest. In this question, we have to find out the sum of money invested, that is principal, which amounts to 2750. Rate is 8% and time is 1 whole 1 by 4 years. When we convert this mixed fraction, we get 5 by 4 years. And when we have to find out the principal, let us assume that the principal is X. Right, let us apply the formula of simple interest, which says PRT by 100. Simply substitute those values given, which is X into 8 into 5 by 4 upon 100. Now we have to simplify. 5 ones are, 2s are, 1s are and 10s. Right, so as simple interest will be X by 10. Right, now amount is given. Let us apply the formula of amount, which is principal plus simple interest. Principal we have assumed to be X. X plus X by 10 amount is given to us, that is 2750. Now we simply have to solve for x, which will give 2750 is equals to, we will take the LCM, which will be 11x by 10. Now we simply have to solve for x. So it will be x is equals to 2750 into 10 upon 11, which will give 250, and the value of x is 2500. That means the principal will be 2500 rupees. The question says, in how many years, that means time is asked, the simple interest on a certain sum of money. Certain sum means principal is not directly given to us. That means we have to assume the principal to be x, right? SI on certain sum of money at 8 whole 1 by 3% per annum. That means the rate is 8 whole 1 by 3%, which is 25 by 3%, will be 2/3 of itself. What is this 2/3 of itself? We are talking about simple interest on certain sum at this rate will be 2/3 of itself. That means if we have assumed the principal to be x, the simple interest will be 2/3 of it, right? 2/3 of x, which is 2x by 3. Now we have to find out time. We don't have exact p, we don't have exact SI, but we know only one formula. Let's see and apply that formula. SI is equals to PRT by 100. This is the basic formula. We have to find out time. So time will be 100 into SI upon P into R. Let us substitute whatever we have. That means 100 into SI. SI is 2x by 3. Principal will be x and rate is 25 by 3, which will go up here, right? Now 25 ones are and 25 fours are, 3 and 3 got cancelled, x and x got cancelled. Time is equal to 8 years. Everything unknown values got cancelled and time is 8 years, right? I hope you have understood this concept of simple interest, application of the formula. In the next video, we will do about compound interest. Please keep watching me, subscribe my channel and press a bell icon beside that. Thank you so much for watching my video.